Today, we're diving into the Wet Sounds LED Kit REV8-RGB-REV8 LED ring kit with RGB strips, a renewed auto accessory that promises to elevate your vehicle's aesthetics. The item comes in a package with dimensions measuring 17.0 L x 15.25 W x 9.75 H inches and weighs a mere 1 pound. Let's explore what this product has to offer. Upon unboxing, you'll find a single unit with a sleek design. The RGB strips add a vibrant touch, creating an eye-catching display. Installation is straightforward, and the included quantity of one ensures you have everything needed for a hassle-free setup. The product is specifically tailored for auto enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's visual appeal. The LED rings not only provide an appealing aesthetic but also serve a functional purpose, adding an extra layer of visibility in various driving conditions. With its renewed status, you can expect a quality product that has undergone testing and refurbishment, ensuring reliability. The lightweight build won't burden your vehicle, and the compact dimensions make it easy to integrate into your setup. In summary, the Wet Sounds LED Kit REV8-RGB-REV8 LED ring kit is a worthy addition for those seeking a blend of style and functionality in their auto accessories. Whether you're cruising the streets or parked at a car show, these RGB strips are sure to turn heads and add a dynamic flair to your ride. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.